This is what's crazy. Okay, this is the front door. That's okay. Everything in here. The main switch is shut off. Everything in here is completely underwater. Let me see if I have a light. Okay. Let's see if I have a light. Okay. This is what it looks like. The water's subsiding. Everything is down. The whole can of dog food, the TV, everything. It's all going out the door. The backyard is destroyed. The fence is down. The porta potty is down through the fence. The floor came up from the floor. Everything floated away. At this point in time, I think we did check for all dogs. All dogs were accounted for. That's the lawnmower underneath the water. There's the pool. There's the backyard. Everything floated out and down. It's starting to subside now. Mass destruction to the fence. Everything is draining to that corner there. But it came. Well, let's get a look at the fence, see what we got going on. Just checking, making sure there's no other dogs. Okay, this is normally the fence. The whole fence is leaning, if you can't see it. There is the help that we were going to get, but declined. They couldn't help us with the dogs, so we declined. We stayed. Okay. The front fence is down. It is starting to let up. Okay. There's no more fence here. And the waters are pretty quick. Okay. Very quick. Okay. I think it's upstairs. I don't know. I've been trying to listen. I checked all back there. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, all dogs are accounted for? You don't have renter's insurance or anything? Ah. Right behind the Goldie house? Right there. As I opened the door, I watched it come over and there was nothing. I could just start hollering. I'm literally right over. I'm literally roaring through there.